Sound check, sound check. Test mic 1, 2, 3. Test mic 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, good evening to all. After almost 2 months of pahinga, hindi tayo nakapag-live. We are here now. Tutuloy natin yung pag-review despite natapos na yung July 2022 Master Plumber board exam, and in preparation for the future exam, yung pinakamalapit is February 2023 board exam. So mga magti-take, they have a luxury of time for the review, and syempre congratulate natin yung mga nakapasa ng July 2022 Master Plumber board exam, and thank you for the appreciation nung nag-message na dalawang nakapasa na yung pagre-review yung ginagawa natin nakatulong sa kanila para makapasa. Na-appreciate natin na-appreciate nila yung ginagawa natin, and na-appreciate din naman natin yung pagpapasalamat nila. Sige po, para hindi na tayo magtagal, let us continue the review for the board exam, part 4, practical problems and experiences. Yun. Yan. Question number, ito na tayo, 351 to 375. Number 351, building sewer shall be tested by filling with water. Water blank. Answer is from the lowest to the highest point. So, yan. Building sewer should be tested from filling with water from the lowest to the highest point. 352. Drainage fitting shall not be made of blank. The answer is lead or lead. Drainage fitting shall not be made of lead. 353. Drinking fountain installed outside should be connected to an approved drainage system. Answer is true. Yan, a drinking fountain installed outside shall be connected to an approved drainage system. The answer is true. 354. Okay, tingnan muna natin kung natutuloy-tuloy. Connection to the public sewer or private sewage disposal system is required for blank. The answer is this: buildings with plumbing fixtures. Connection to the public or private sewage disposal system is required for buildings with plumbing fixtures. 355. All design, construction, and workmanship shall be in conformity with blank. The answer is accepted with engineering practices. All design, construction, and workmanship shall be in conformity with accepted engineering practices. 356. All trenches differ than the footing of any building or structure, and paralleling the same shall be at least what? The answer is 45 degrees therefrom. All trenches deeper than the footing of any building or structure shall be paralleling the same shall be at least 45 degrees therefrom. So, 357. Piping fixtures or equipment that are installed so that they interfere with normal operation and use of windows or doors shall be blank. Shall be what? Answer is relocated to avoid interference. Piping, fixtures, or equipment that are installed so that they interfere with normal operations and use of windows or doors shall be relocated to avoid interference. Yun. 50. So, gagawin na natin frequent, no? Tutuloy-tuloy natin hanggang matapos yung reviewer natin. Tab waste opening in frame construction shall be protected by what? The answer is metal collars or screens. Tab waste openings in frame construction shall be protected by metal collars or screens. 359. It's permitted to drill and tap a vent to connect an indirect waste pipe. The answer is false. So, yan, false ang sagot. It's permitted to drill and tap vent pipe to connect an indirect waste. The answer is false. 360. Sleeve shall be provided to protect all piping through blank and blank walls. The answer is concrete and masonry. Sleeves shall be provided to protect all piping through concrete and masonry walls. Yun, bago tayo magtuloy, question muna. For hotel bookings and reservation nationwide, red doors, sun cells, and athletes. Yan, please contact me to this number 0956016230, 0932800119, or in the Messenger and Facebook account. Yan. Red doors, sun cells, and athletes. May nakalimutan ako sabihin. Siguro, yun. Thank you nga pala sa mga bago nating subscribers last month of August and the last half month of July na nag-subscribe. So, nakikita nila na thank you po, na-appreciate nyo yung benefits or usefulness or ng itong pagre-review natin. And hopefully, matuto po kayo kung may mga correction, comments, and suggestion. Don't hesitate to contact us to this number or PM in the comment section. Ayan, ito. Ayan. At sotake@gmail.com and sa FB account na not so. Thank you. 361. This gauge shall not have a pressure range more than blank. The answer is twice the test pressure applied load. And test gauge shall not have a pressure range more than twice the test pressure applied load. 362. Waste blank to the public sewer system or to the functioning of the sewage treatment plant shall be treated and disposed of as found necessary and directed by the authority having jurisdiction. Waste blank or waste detrimental. Waste detrimental to the public sewer system or to the functioning of the sewage treatment plant shall be treated and disposed of as found necessary and directed by the authority having jurisdiction. 363. No blank shall be made to a closet bend or stub, a water closet, or similar fixtures. The answer is this. No waste connection shall be made to a closet bend or stub of a water closet or similar fixtures. Ulitin natin dahil maiksi lang. No waste connection shall be made to a closet bend or stub of a water closet or similar fixtures. yung nag-appreciate o na nakatulong yung pag-review, i-post na lang natin sa mga susunod na review. Dalawa sila na-appreciate nila and I'm thankful na nakatulong. Naming openings through floors over food handling areas shall be blank. The answer is sealed watertight to the floor construction. Plumbing openings through floors over food handling areas shall be sealed watertight to the floor construction. Plumbing openings through floors over food handling areas shall be sealed watertight to the floor construction. 365. Clean out about food prep or preparation areas shall be blank. The answer is extended through the floor construction above. Clean outs above food preparation areas shall be extended through the floor construction above. 366. Potable water supply to beverage dispensers shall be protected by either an air gap or blank. The answer is this. What is the answer? A vented backflow preventer. Potable water supply to beverage dispensers shall be protected by either an air gap or a vented backflow preventer. 367. Food waste disposal unit installed in a set of restaurant sinks shall be connected to a blank. The answer is separate trap. Yan. A food waste disposal unit installed in a set of restaurant sinks shall be connected to a separate trap. 368. The static water pressure at the water meter is 80 psi. At a supply outlet 40 feet above the meter, the static water pressure would be approximately what? Answer is 60 psi or 60. And the static water pressure at the water meter is 80 psi. At the supply 40 feet above the meter, the static water pressure would be approximately 60 psi or 60. And 369. Water pressure regulators are required where the static pressure is exceeding blank psi. The answer is 80. Yun, kasi minimum niya is 80, no? Related siya sa question number 68. Paki-review na lang. Yan, 69 water pressure regulators are required where the static pressure is exceeding 80 psi. 370. Electrical demand in a wiring system is determined by the amount of blank. Answer is watts consumed. Oh, may naligaw na tanong. Hindi ko alam kung bakit na tanong. Pero, yan naman yan. Practical naman. Kumbaga, common knowledge naman to. Electrical demand in a wiring system is determined by the amount of watts consumed. So, bago tayo magtuloy, before we end up, yun. Saan na ba tayo? Bago tayo magtuloy sa mga taga Caloocan City, nagtatrabaho sa Caloocan City, nakatira, private or public employee na civil engineers sa Caloocan City, I encourage you to join to this group, civil engineers and of Caloocan City, to establish for the establishment of PICE Caloocan City chapter. I hope mag-expand tayo and we reach the minimum required para makapag-establish tayo. Hopefully, to the soonest, no? Dahil marami tayong gagawin. Marami akong plano. Personally, marami akong plano. Webinars, upgrading ng knowledge ng mga anong tawag dito, specialty divisions, yun. So, yun, hopefully, dumami pa tayo dyan sa group na yan. Okay, 371. What is the main purpose of a water supply storage facility? The answer is, yan, to provide sufficient amount of water to average or equalize daily demands plus provides minimum pressure to pipe pairs. Yun, mas mahaba pa yung sagot sa tanong. What is the main purpose of a water facility supply storage facility? The answer is to provide sufficient amount of water to average or equalize the daily demands plus provide minimum pressure to pipe pairs. 372. What are the basic requirements for an acceptable meter installation? The answer is position in a horizontal plane, not tilted. What are the basic requirements for an acceptable meter installation? The answer is position in horizontal plane, not tilted. Yeah, 373. How can mechanical damage to water meters be avoided? Uy, Thursday pa lang ngayon, no? How can mechanical damage to water meters can be avoided? The answer is placing the meter behind the curb and a meter box. How can a mechanical damage to water meters be avoided? Yun. The answer is placing the meter behind the curb in a meter box. 374. Liquefied chlorine gas will expand blank times its original volume. The answer is nangyari. Yan, answer, anong sagot? Ay 460 times. Liquefied chlorine gas or LCG will expand 460 times its original volume. And the last question for this session, 375. A 5-foot deep pipe trench requires exit ladders every 25 feet and it needs to what? Answer is have approved shoring. A 5-foot deep trench requires exit ladders every 25 feet and it needs to have approved shoring. Yun. Thank you very much sa mga nakinig and I wish na pakinggan nyo to sa YouTube kung nyo pong i-download or paki-download na lang kung tapos na para help me reach again the 4,000 hours na demonetize kasi ako, hindi ako nakapag-record ng 6 months na video so hopefully tulungan nyo din po yun. For more comments, suggestions, yan ito po notsotech@gmail.com at notsotechy. And for architectural and engineering design, you can call us to NDR Architects Design and Consultancy Services. And sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe for more review, tutorial, engineering softwares, tutorials, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel at notsotech. Good day to all and hopefully makapasa lahat makatulong yung review na to sa mga nagtitake ng Master Plumber book. Thank you very much and have a good day. See you next session.